What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Katanat Pulit ka Jylla kalau thung na ka Special Investigation Team SIT ban pelong ka jing tohkit halor ka jingiap ba sangsot jong ikna badang saus na merta ibalaja ngai na la yeng na Nongrah nonglum ya kamet yap jong ini ikna lalap bala banda umau hakwe ka jaka balang slam jong ka we ka yeng ka badang snat thamai ka badan marjan ka yeng jong ini ikna haka step jong ka khatsan trik nailur On thung ya ka Special Investigation Team ban tohkit bania halor kan ka jingjia khanam ban lap ya ka jingshisha batru ban lap ikibri gudan kti ong Superintendent of Police uba Vivek CM habakran Syllad thai khobor ya ka SIT and kli da USPCT ba Herbert Kharkungor hapo ka jingkmi bat jingai bud jong USP ka East Khasi Hills heprit in sapira lingdo maunai ilajar ngai not nala ka jong ka plau yeng haka step jong ka khat sau trik nailur na Nongrah nonglum kat ba ki kmi ki pa ki dangyo thia halayang ka kinhuan ka baji ashim benta haka jingwat ka bakan thom ya ki bahyeng hasam ki dikhot ka VDP ki traish nong bat ki Pulit lambat ki sos ma dien ki lawat kaleng ki jaka Henry Kimshim lalap din satya na kalyang ki Pulit kila pha jingtip ya ka ni jingja ngai shabaro ki police station ha kabalapan mi ru ya kajingpen bana banyawat lang ya ini heprit Henry ya kamet yap jong ini heprit lalap na kawe ka yeng kabadang snat thamai kabadan hi marjan ka yeng sa jong ini heprit na kalyang ki bahyeng jong ini heprit kila ujor da ka ejahar hapo renja police station uba Vivek upentip baya kamet jong i insa pira lalap da uwe unong bela batrei ha ka yeng kabajinga tangkum basis pa mita nakayeng sa jong i. Hadien balalap ya kamet ka kinhon forensic kalalet siya kajaka balasay kamet bat rano siya ni grims. Ya ka postmortem na lehi nekasngi bat ngidang up ya ka kaipon kumju ru ya ka jing tohkit forensic ulaong haba pentip bala register case ya ka ni jingjia kum ka jingsha penyam. USP upentip bagi Pulit kidang bisyari kisaki satar kentup unong bela upalap ya kamet yap bat enang penyari ka jing tohkit kat ban nang yok lum ya kisaki satar.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Nongrah incident. This child, 4-year-old child, she went missing since yesterday on Sunday at about the parents came to know that she had gone missing at about 8:45 and had lodged a missing report in Rinja police station. Search was made in the whole locality along with the VDP, locality members, family members, police, dog squad and all that, but the child was not found. And well, the search continued, and this morning one of the labourers working in a construction site close by about 100 meters from the house found the body. After finding the body, the forensic team had been called and all that. The body was lifted from there and taken to Negrims. Post-mortem has been conducted. We are awaiting the report, and family members, actually the post-mortem has been done today. The family members have gone to the police station to file a complaint. Case is being registered. An SIT will be formed on this case to ascertain the facts of the matter and to also zero down on the culprit or culprits. So investigation is will actually, once we delve more into this case and get the forensic reports and other analytics, then we'll be able to get a clearer picture of things. Being registered as we speak now, is under murder charges. See, right now, once we start probing, then the picture will be clearer. See, the workers, actually, there's a worker who found the body in the morning, so we have actually examined the person. We'll be examining more people as the investigation progresses. After she went missing, alerts were sounded everywhere, to all our police stations, to all units outside, and in fact, we had given out a lookout notice everywhere, thinking that she might have been lost somewhere. The sit will be headed by SP City and overall by me.